Almost there!
Hey, let me go!
Quiet, you stubborn mule!
I'm a donkey! Hee-haw! Let me go!
Quiet, you stubborn mule!
Hee-haw! This is theft! Ni-hao! Ni-hao! Let go!
Ni-hao to you too! Now move!
No, I don't think so.
Tough luck, donkey!
This little piggy's coming with me.
Like adventure time!
You bet. Let's go. Ah, nothing like fresh coffee on the farm.
Gonna check on the cows. I am devastated. What has happened to me? My children are depending on me.
Hello, my animals have been stolen. Please come immediately, or I'll be forced to take action myself. Please help!
Sir, my animals are being stolen repeatedly. Please take action. What are you doing about this?
We understand, sir. We're on it. We'll investigate. These tracks look fresh. Something came through here. They're deep, heavy vehicle. Should we follow them? Let's go.
Floor it! They're right behind us!
I'm trying! This thing's a tank! Woo! This is better than the carnival!
Eyes on the road!
Stop, you varmints! Pull them out! Never, copper! Get him! Stop right there, you varmints! Pull over! That's an You can't catch us! Stop right there! Catch me if you can! You're under arrest! Not today! All right, everyone, ready for an adventure?
Yes, adventure!
Let's go!